Hi, my name is Miroslava, he is Omar, and he is Sergio, and we're going to talk about our careers. So, tell me Sergio, what are you studying,
I'm studying accounting.
and why did you choose this career?
I chose this career because my mom is working in that. I see her every day work and
She wants
she wants a lot of money,
twins.
wins a lot of money, and I want to work in that. It's a good job. I like it.
What are your plans after you finish your career? Like,
That's
are
it.
you planning to getting married, having kids?
Well, after my career, I want to study a postgrad so I can choose a better work. Later, I don't know, maybe have a wife, kid, two kids, I don't know. And when I'm tired, retired, I want to go and visit all the world, travel. No, so many people.
Is there any place you want to visit a lot? Like, I don't know,
I love
another country or...
Canada. I want to visit that. I love the cup.
Okay. So, in which part, well, how can I say it? Your post degree, in what are you
I want to
doing?
do like administration, but with accountant. I don't know the exact name of that, but I want to do that.
And would you like to work in a company or alone, like, you know?
I want to work in a company, you know, a very placed company to earn a lot of money. But I really want to someday have my little job in
Your little company?
my little company. Yes.
Would you like to be your own boss?
Yeah, like everyone.
Oh, so it's okay. So now, Omar, what are you studying?
I study international business in UVM.
And why did you choose this career? For money, for your parents, or
I choose this career because I want to career in which I learn a lot about globalization of the world and of course Mexico. Um, I chose two because I want to make a lot of money. Um, it's all.
do you like this career in this university?
Well, this university have a good program, study program, and is is a number one, no, number five university
Well, okay.
in Guadalajara, and it's good. It's a good university.
Yeah.
Social.
Okay. So what are your plans after you finish your career? Do you want to get married, to work, to
Maybe
travel?
maybe I get a couple in in which I trust in here, and maybe I have a children, but I don't like children because
You don't like it. Why?
the children is a cry and
Oh, they cry a lot. I know.
yeah, because I don't like children.
So, there's anything you want to ask?
Well, it's not like
No, ask him.
Ask?
Is there
Oh.
anything you want to ask to him?
when you where do you want to work?
Well, I want to work in a yeah, companies in which I work talk with other person in other countries about the terms of business. A Continental company is a good company about that.
And you want to move in another country?
Have you ever think about living in another country, like, I don't know, United States?
Well, in this moment, I think I don't think that, but
Thinking about the future, would you
about the
like?
future,
Yeah.
I would like live in Alemania, but
Yeah.
is safe.
What?
Nothing is safe.
Oh yeah.
Well,
You, Miroslava, talk about your career.
Well, I'm studying the same career as you. I'm studying accountancy, and I have to say that I'm pretty good in that. And
Talk
yeah,
about the topic of your career.
you know, well, in my career, it's supposed that we work in a huge company with making all the accountancy registers of what we sell or what we buy. Well, talking about a huge company is dedicated to sell and buy things.
And you, do you want to move to another country?
I would like to, but at the same time, I would not because I love, well, no, I don't love Mexico, but I don't really like the change. You know, like moving to another country and learn another language and stuff like that. It's kind of hard for me.
Oh, okay. And what do you want to do before you finish this career?
Before, I
After.
want to, well, after I want to get married maybe, but it's a relative decision because I don't like marriage. But I would like to get married just one
Someday.
person. Yeah, someday. And well, I want to have a post degree actually in this university. Well, I'm not really sure about what I want after I finish my career. I want to work in a huge company. I want to win a lot of money, of course, like everyone else. And I don't know, maybe help my brother to finish his career and move to another city or to a big house, a bigger house. And I guess it's all. Then I will die and no. After I die, I would like to drive a
And you talk about the topic of your career.
What do you do in your career?
well, I, yeah. Well, in my career, you should talk about business and export and import products
Of another country?
of another country to Mexico for commercialization in, a,
Marketing.
in a marketing, and that's all.
Yeah.
all.
You have to learn a lot of laws, no? Don't you?
Yeah, and I could, no, I should a lot of language because I talk to person of the other countries
And yeah.
and like
You
French
have to
and
communicate with them to be able to do the business, no?
yeah. The language to be learned is English
English.
and French and German and that's
Yeah.
all.
Do you like German?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Is it kind of hard to talk? No.
Well, maybe, but it's a like it's a
Something you need to
Mhm.
learn?
Something I need to learn and not problem for it.
That's okay.
And Miroslava, what are the challenges you have to do this career?
To join this career, I don't know, beat everyone. Well, I don't know, it's kind of hard because, well, I'm not really sure. In the real life, there's so, well, there isn't places to work and you have to be in a competition with your friends actually, and it's kind of hard when you know you have friends, but
Actually,
they,
you and me are.
yeah, I don't know why I'm your friend.
Ah, neither.
Well, you know, but still that's one of the big challenge. And I don't know, I'm good at learning other language. Like I'm learning French and I almost finished my English level. I would like to learn Japanese or Germany actually, but it will have to wait because my dad doesn't have money to pay me at school and you know
Okay.
that kind of stuff.
Well, it's like me. I have a lot of challenges here because I don't have enough money to pay all the career. So I think I need to work
Yeah.
in the public school.
Exactly. That's one of the things I don't like. I will have to work like 4 or 5 semesters and it's like, oh my gosh, no, I'm scared.
Yeah. Well, we can go
Yeah.
to travel to another country and work and stuff there. It's going to be a good experience.
But it's hard because I will not be in my home and
Yeah. I send the phone to him to Guadalajara from the
yeah,
big.
it was
to
hard,
study.
no?
Yeah,
It was
kind
hard.
of.
Yeah. I don't know how you could do it.
Yeah. And you? You want to study
Here
Hello.
or
Here, I
Are
want
you-
to study all of my career here.
yeah, you don't want to go to an international exchange?
Maybe, but I don't have a lot of money for that.
Well, you could work, right?
Yeah, but for study in another country and work for that, I don't like it.
It's an interesting idea, I think, because you could be able to know another culture and meet a lot of people that maybe can help you in your future. I don't
Okay.
know, that's what I think.
I feel good here and now.
Yeah, actually, actually, I don't know. Sometimes I wanna go far away from here, and sometimes I don't wanna go.
Yeah, you are content with your family, with your
Yeah,
place.
it's a paradox, actually.
That's all.
I don't know. You
Yeah.
can talk about it.
About your career, what's the most you like about it?
About my career,
The month.
maybe earn a lot of money, but
Something interesting about your career you like?
Yeah.
something interesting.
Like when you're working at that, you could visit another countries and travel around the world.
Well, I think that the globalization is a most important thing, and now um, actually Mexico is in a transition, is between in a globalization, but the other countries
Are more advanced than
uh, like 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 USA.
or Japan
No.
or
How is that?
Stop Mexico to advance another
yeah,
level.
to grow up
Yeah.
like a country. Or, yeah, I know. That's
And
one
you?
of the what.
Something you like about your career?
Well, something I like is to work with money. Actually, not my money, but money of other companies. I don't know it's fun to administrate that money, what you can do or what you can do. I don't know, it's fun.
What I like about my career, the things like I can cheat, like
That's
you
not
pay,
good, dude.
you pay taxes, something like that. I can learn a lot of tricks to do my personal business too. I like it.
Finish.
So that was all, and thank you for watching us. We will see you in